Hi, I'm here at ISN's Tool Dealer Expo 2024, and I'm here in the Auto Care Association booth. And I'm here with Todd Moore. Todd, can you tell us a little bit about what you're here and what you're educating folks about?
Absolutely. So we're really excited to be here at the ISN show and educating the tool and equipment community about a really important issue for the aftermarket, which is right to repair. And what is right to repair? Right to repair is making sure that the aftermarket industry can continue to do what we've always done, maintain and repair vehicles. Manufacturers are now starting to put barriers up to access the repair and diagnostic information that we need to keep doing what we've always done, which is maintain and repair vehicles. So we're working with Congress on a new piece of legislation called the Repair Act. Currently has 56 co-sponsors, completely bipartisan, that would allow for us to continue to access that repair and diagnostic information without any barriers being put in place, so that the consumer has the freedom of choice to choose where they get their vehicle repaired instead of being forced to go to a dealership and pay higher costs for repair. And that's really what it's all about.
Fantastic. And have you had a good show so far?
Had an amazing show. I've had great traffic to the booth and just so happy to be here.
Great. We appreciate your time. Thank you for talking to us.